One of my favorite questions asked is, what elements of America does the collection embody? And the words that come to my mind are boldness, courage, wanting to take risk, and above all, freedom. The Wolf Family Collection is a collection of early American furniture, American bronzes, Chinese export porcelain, 20th century furniture, and some of the most beautiful, iconic pieces of signed jewelry in the world.
There's a common thread that one sees throughout every aspect of the collection, whether it's a piece of 18th century American furniture, an exquisite watercolor, or a piece of 20th century design, and that is superlative quality.
The collection is so special because it encompasses so many different departments and places in art history. There are so many different categories and they complement each other beautifully. The American art speaks to the design as well as the American furniture. There's wonderful American and French jewelers. There are beautiful examples of Tiffany and green. Everything just looks so peaceful and wonderful in its place.
Joy and Irv were what I would call true connoisseur collectors. When they decided to pursue a particular area, they were fully invested, totally all in.
They collected from the early 70s to, well, my mother was still buying things in August of 2022. They never stopped collecting. I remember growing up, and every possible opportunity, my family would head to the Four Corners area, Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, and Arizona, looking for the most beautiful American Indian creations. When my family moved to New York in 1971 is when they started to collect a wide variety of things.
Joy and Irving Wolf were in love with Americana. They loved the furniture forms and they were students of it.
My parents loved American furniture, whether it was made in the 1750s or the 1950s, because it embodied the talent, the passion of these American craftsmen. But also, what did it embody as telling a story of the period of America that it was made? I'm often asked, how do you feel about selling everything? Or you must be terribly upset about that, but I'm not. These objects have generated such wonderful feelings, but it's time for somebody else to experience the pride of ownership of them, and very excited to see where they'll go and the happiness and beauty that they'll generate for generations to come.